In today's fast-paced work environment, efficiency is everything. That's why Confluence is the go-to tool for IT teams. Built with collaboration in mind, Confluence is a connected workspace where all team members can share knowledge, troubleshoot ideas, and brainstorm solutions in real time. With Confluence, technical teams can eliminate information silos by creating knowledge bases that contain detailed documentation on processes, procedures, and best practices. This keeps teamwork organized and ensures everyone has access to the same information. It saves time by making it easier to find what you're looking for. With AI-powered search, IT teams can resolve issues more quickly. Confluence also integrates with industry-leading tools for IT management, including Jira and Jira Service Management, the ideal combo for managing complex projects. Teams can track progress, assign tasks, and communicate seamlessly within the same system, reducing time and energy spent switching between multiple tools. When it comes to working with stakeholders across the business, Confluence has an easy-to-use interface and variety of content types that make it simple to add collaborators, share ideas, and request feedback, all of which can take place within your connected workspace. You can transform these ideas into actionable items, assign tasks, and ensure seamless teamwork without any disruptions. So whether it's tackling a major project or troubleshooting an urgent issue, Confluence is the go-to solution for IT teams to turn chaos into clarity and to get the job done with ease. Try Confluence for free today.